Hi everyone. Sorry. Hi everyone. I just finished a video right now, and I said let me just open my Facebook, log in, and see what's going on social media on Facebook. I just came across something. This my favorite actress. I'm sad, or what's her name self? Her name is what's it called? Nikehanzah. This is it, a girl or lady? A girl that work with my favorite actor too, Odunlade Adekola. Kí ló máa ń ṣàwọn èèyàn náà? They accuse this girl that maybe she's dating her boss Odunlade. Imagine. Why is it that when you see somebody very close, you will rather create one news about the person? Why? I will upload the video now. You will soon watch the video. Why? I like this girl. I like the actor. I know, let me say, in an office, there will be somebody that the boss will like so much, and the boss we always send he or she message, not because of anything, maybe because the person is very smart, maybe the person knows what he or she is doing, maybe the person is very good, but you will just see another set of people. They will just gather themselves and they will just form one kind rubbish information about the person. They will say maybe they are dating. Oh, don't mind, our boss is dating this person. Or maybe if you see somebody progressing more than you, instead of you to just pray to God, say, God, I want to be like this person. I want you to use me like this person. I want to go far in life like this person. Instead of you to pray that prayer and work hard, you will begin to jealous. You will just form one kind. I don't understand. I just finished video right now. I've not even uploaded the video, but I just let me just open my Facebook, and I saw this post made by this innocent girl. What is wrong with you guys? What is wrong with us? What's wrong with some people? I don't even know what to say. What is that thing? Can't you work hard? Why can't you pray that God should take you to that place too, even higher than that person that you are jealous in? Why not you work hard? Why, instead of you cooking lie against that person, why don't you just, why don't you call the person, sister, how are you doing it? Brother, show me the way. What is your secret? Then you work hard, you work towards it. Let me show you the video then, so that you can see what I'm trying to say. Actress Nikehanzah. Just watch her. I will show her. I will show you now. Watch her.
Hello everyone. My name is Nikehanzah.
Are you see?
And I'm doing this video to respond to what was posted on a blog about me dating my boss, Mr. Odunlade Adekola. Hi, Nikehanzah. I hereby debunk it. It is not true.
Okay.
It has never been true. And it will never be true. None of it has ever happened. And none of it is happening. Me o shiri, me o denishi. I will never offer anybody sex for role. And I am not dating my boss. I repeat, I am not dating my boss, Mr. Odunlade Adekola. Please, do not spoil my brand. This little brand, Timo Shin grow, enjoy my budget.
Abi?
This future, Timo wo lo kan Timo Bushimari, my budget.
Abi o.
A lot of people are going to believe this story. Do not spoil my life. Emma Bayemi Jet. I am not dating my boss. I've never offered anybody sex for role.
Why?
Do you know how many people that are still coming to AFP? Do you know how many people that have passed through AFP?
That is it.
Do you know how many people that are interested in acting? Do you want to discourage them? She said, if they block, if they do know, jẹ́ pé wọ́n ṣì ń bọ̀ wá join lórí yẹn tó jẹ́ pé ọlọ́run lè máa tara wọn fà wọ́n lọ́wọ́ sókè. Àìmọye àwọn èèyàn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti tọ́.
In fact, that is just it. Let me play it. Let me play it.
Ọtí kọjá lára wọn tọ́lọ̀ ń dẹ̀ ti bless.
I will also post it.
It's not nice. Just sitting somewhere and cooking up a story. Nípa èèyàn. It's not nice at all.
It's not nice. Sitting up somewhere cooking stories that you don't even know against somebody is not nice. Kódà, it's not good. If you see somebody progressing more than you, if you see somebody doing things more than you, what you need to do is to pray that God help me. The way you are helping this person, help me too. Or you call on the person, move to the person, seek for advice, seek for counseling. Let the person tell you one or two things. You cannot be a student, you cannot read in the midnight, you don't have time for your books, you can't read, and you will see somebody reading overnight, having sleepless nights, come to the class, write exam, sit for an exam, and the person will come out with a flying color and you will be there, jealousing the person. Can you pay the price? Why don't you pay the price as well? Why? Kí ló dé? Why are we always àwọn Yorùbá máa sọ wípé báwo náà tẹ̀sẹ̀ máa ń pòwe yẹn? There is this adage. If you don't know the way, tell people to show you the way, not cooking lies, stories, false stories against people. Don't forget that the Bible says whatever we sow, we will reap. That is it. Let's stop this habit. Ẹ bèrè ọ̀nà. Yorùbá ní pé a bèrè ọ̀nà kì í ṣìnà. If you don't know the way, ask. People will guide you. That is it. Not sowing sorrowful seed in the heart of people. Go and check our page on Facebook, you.This TV. You will see the full story there. You listen to her. Go and check our Facebook, you.This TV, on Facebook. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe. We love you. I love you so much. See you. Let me sleep. Bye.